ridiculous waste of money, you're going to think I'm mad. Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. Today we're going to get into this box, this cheeky little Louis Vuitton box, because this is my gift to self for reaching the magic number of 4,000 subscribers on YouTube. So this is basically, it's all down to you guys that I was able to get this. But if you are new to my channel, then hiya, I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, get down there, hit subscribe, ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury-based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love. Give it a like. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, yeah. The lip gloss not letting me do that. I am coming up to 4 years on the YouTubes, and in early December during Vlogmas I hit 4,000 subscribers. No, I didn't. I recently in November 2024 hit 4,000 subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you for giving up your time to not only hang out with me but to subscribe and hit those notification bells so you know when my next video comes up, so you're straight on it. I've got some OGs who are still around who chat in the comments and on Instagram. It is a marvellous thing, and it's not something I would have ever expected from talking about handbags and stuff on YouTube, like making friends, getting to travel to meet other fellow luxury YouTubers. It's not been a whirlwind in terms of time. I've had 4 years to get to this point almost, but it has been a whirlwind in experience terms. So I went for something from Louis Vuitton. This has never been on a wish list. I've never shared it with you guys on a wish list. And that is because it is the most ridiculous waste of money at Louis Vuitton that I could ever have come up with. It is just crazy. I picked this up in Paris with the lovely Dale, and when we picked up my birthday present from the Lion, I showed it to Dale and Dale said she agreed it was ridiculous, but she really wanted one as well. If there'd been 2 in the boutique, she would have taken one as well, but there weren't. There was only the one, and I got my grubby little paws on it. And I say it is a ridiculous waste of money. That is why I've never put it on a wish list, because I've wanted this for I don't know how many years, longer than I've been on YouTube. I've wanted this longer than I've been on YouTube. And to me, it was just the most ridiculous waste of money. So I'm not going to be able to do it. My nails are too long now. Did buy this in Paris at the very beginning of December. No, didn't get any of the Christmas packaging. Didn't even get a bag for this. My suitcase came in a big box, a big hard-sided box. The box had a built-in handle, so that was never going to go into a bag, as well as the box, on top of the box. But this, they just handed it over, just gave us the box, just went, here you go. So I had to ask for a bag, and the bag they gave me to carry this back to the hotel in was just a plain white bag. It wasn't even a Louis Vuitton branded bag, let alone one of the Christmas packaging bags. Now, a few people did comment on my Horizon 55 unboxing video that the reason I was given a white plain bag for this piece was because it wouldn't have any branding on it and therefore I wouldn't be a target for thieves and what have you. But I was carrying that white bag, that plain white bag, along with a massive branded Louis Vuitton box for the Horizon 55, so I don't really understand the logic behind that. Very happy that Dale got the Christmas packaging for her beautiful, beautiful speedy trunk. You're gonna think I'm mad. Louis Vuitton dust bag. Give yourself a moment here. Get in the comments, write in the comments what you think this could possibly be. It's small, you can see it's small. Think of the most ridiculous thing that you know that Louis Vuitton has available to purchase. Write it down in the comments then carry on watching the video and see if you are right. This, I mean, it tickles me. I love it. It is ridiculous. And I've got it. I feel like this is a mega achievement. Okay, right, I've got to make sure it's the right way round and everything. It's not. So I bought myself, to celebrate 4,000 subscribers on YouTube, something really ridiculous, really silly, really daft. It is a strip of Louis Vuitton vachetta leather. It is not a bracelet. You could probably wear it as a bracelet. It's not a bracelet. What the heck is this? Well, let's just go through some details, shall we? We've got, this was made in Spain. It's stamped on the back with the Louis Vuitton, made in Spain. The sunlight is coming through now. And on the front, we've got the Louis Vuitton logo in the hardware. What is it? It's the most ridiculous thing. Right. On the inside, we have got the flowers printed on the inside. It's lovely. It's got this little stopper. It's not a popper. A previous iteration of this, it was a popper, and then they changed the design. And they changed the design since I wanted it. And, oh look! There you go. There is the SKU. That's the product code stamped into it. I'm assuming that's the product code and not a serial number, because I mean, why would you put a serial number on a ridiculous little piece of leather in it? Okay, so what is it? This is I'm still so happy I got it, and it is still so ridiculous. Breathe, Gwenny. Breathe. I am aware. But if you can't do it to celebrate a big milestone, then when can you do it? This is a bit of leather that you put through your handbag, or in my case, my Neverfull, on top of your suitcase, and you clip it so the handle will clip of your bag to the telescopic handle of your suitcase. Now, this used to be a popper, but now what it is you've got this kind of shaped bit here. So the popper goes in and then slides up to secure it in place. So it's not going to accidentally unpop or anything, which I think is a big improvement to the design. As much as this is another item that is clearly giving me the giddy feels and making me absolutely delighted and happy, I know that this is a ridiculous waste of money. In the UK, this is £295, and that is insane for a strip of leather with a sort of little popper, catch and pull, tiny bit of hardware. So yes, it is a ridiculous waste of money. It is a strip of leather. There are far more affordable versions available, but again, I bought this in Paris, so it's €330, which at today's rates is £278. So I've saved myself just over 20 quid. Don't forget about getting the duty free back. The more eagle-eyed amongst you may have noticed in my pictures on the unveiling of my suitcase, my Horizon 55 birthday present. And if you've not seen that unboxing video, I will have that linked down below. More eagle-eyed amongst you would have noticed I was using this. I used both this and the Horizon 55 on the journey home on the Eurostar from Paris, and I loved it. It was everything. Remember when I said this? So now I have what I consider to be the ultimate travel set, carry-on luggage travel set. I've got my Horizon 55 and I've got my Neverfull to wheel around on top of it. Well, I take that back, because now I have the ultimate Louis Vuitton travel set. Next up, a trunk, perhaps. That's not going to happen. But this is such an amazing little set. You don't have to have a Neverfull on there. You could hang a little Speedy from there. You can hang whatever you want from that handle. It is a fantastic and safety orientated bit of kit. It'll stop anyone from just grabbing your handbag and running off with it. Perfect. It's the most ridiculous thing. And it's the most perfect thing. This is another stage of that big achievement thing for me, getting the suitcase, and how frivolous a suitcase is, because you can only use it when you're travelling. And how often are you travelling? We've only travelled in 2024 for the first time since 2019. So a ridiculous purchase for that as well. But again, is that the key to all the luxury? The fact that it's ridiculous, but you went for it anyway. You spent the money on it anyway, and you loved it. So yeah, there is that. Let me know if you guessed correctly. Let me know how ridiculous you think this is. And I hope you've enjoyed this giddy little unboxing and reveal, and thank you again to all of my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed and you're still watching these videos, subscribe, do it now. Let's get to 5,000, see what other nonsense I can come up with to purchase. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it the thumbs up love, give it a like, and until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye.